A couple of weeks ago, I used ChatGPT to give me a bunch of ideas for a YouTube channel idea that I had. What I wanted to do was create a channel about videography and cars. Two of my greatest passions and interests, I wanted to combine them and make them into a cool YouTube channel. And I used ChatGPT just to give me some ideas of what kind of content I wanted to produce. Today I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to give you YouTube channel and video ideas. For today's example, we're going to pretend that my name is Kevin and I love keto dieting and I'm also a competitive swimmer. Now these things are not true to who I am personally, but for this example, Kevin is going to be our personality. Now we're going to use ChatGPT to generate a YouTube channel idea, the content for this niche. Is it niche? Anyway, now I'm going to type into ChatGPT what I just told you, that I like keto and I like swimming. Now what the AI technology did was it took the prompt that I gave it and turned it into a great channel idea. Now I can take this and make a channel exactly like that, or I can use this as an idea, a foundation for the kind of content that I want to produce. Now let's say I'm stuck on channel names. Let's say I'm not very creative in making names. I can actually just ask it to give me names and it will do it. So let's do it. Alright, now I asked it to give me 20 channel name ideas. And let's just say that I don't like any of these ideas and I want 20 more. I can totally just ask it to give me 20 more. And maybe I'm really picky about the name and I ask it to just give me 1,000. Okay, I think I broke it, but I think you get the general idea of what I'm trying to go for. Now I have the type of content I want to create and the potential channel names I want to give my YouTube channel. Now we can go into what kind of videos we want to make. Now I'm going to ask it to give me 10 video ideas for this YouTube channel. Now if I'm posting a video weekly, I have the next 10 weeks covered for the kind of content that I could produce. And if I want more, I can just ask it to give me more. Now if I'm having trouble coming up with a script or talking points that I can include in my video, I can copy one of these titles and then ask ChatGPT to give me talking points for said video. It's funny because I actually know nothing about keto and it just gave me 5 talking points for a video about keto, and I could totally make this even though I don't know anything about keto. But this is why it's such a powerful tool, because it can give us exactly what we could say in our video, and all we have to do is go into this and change it up to how we like. Now, after the video is done and we've used all of these tools to make and produce the video, when we want to upload it to YouTube, we can also use ChatGPT to give us ideas for the description and the hashtags we include in our video. After asking for the video points, we can now say to it, give us a description, and then let's do the same thing for hashtags. Now all we have to do is copy the description and hashtags right into our video, and it's done. Now something that would have taken me hours to do, using ChatGPT, it took me less than 5 minutes to come with content ideas, channel name ideas, video talking point ideas, and the description ideas along with the hashtag. Now it's a powerful tool that will speed up a lot of processes. Now I'm not saying that we should just take creativity and just throw it in the trash, but ChatGPT is definitely a tool that will save time and will make things a lot easier when it comes to making video content. Now what's cooler than ChatGPT is subscribing to my channel. So if you would like to learn more about video production and how you can improve your content making, please subscribe. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.